Excuse me, brother.
Wow. Hey, say hello. Hello. Damn, that's so good. Okay.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Las Vegas. Welcome to Vegas.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
What's up, guys? My name is Marwa, and it's the first time to this YouTube channel. Can you subscribe? We're right here in Las Vegas, Nevada, creating more and more content for you. So kindly, guys, you can subscribe, you can share our videos. And actually, I'm filming with Richard, man. So at the end of the day, you have to check Richard, who is my brother. We're filming him. We travel thousands of miles through the desert, driving just to come here and show you this beautiful Las Vegas, the most famous sin city, you know. And we're here just to give you the best of the best. And this is the channel where you belong, man. Don't be the only guy watching here. Share this video, man. Support your boys. Support, man. Come on. Let's.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Wow.
Hey, look this side, man. Damn. Do something, man. Come on. So what's the difference between the strip and downtown?
So downtown it's like way cheaper because
Yeah.
you can, like she was saying, walk down and just walk.
Uh-huh.
And literally they have like bars,
Yeah.
like right across the street. So you walk the street and then you're into the next bar.
Oh, wow.
And normally entry's only like $5.
Oh,
I think
wow.
the most I've seen is 20, but that's only on a night where it's like super
Like First
poppin'.
Friday.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's like super.
Other than that, it's like between $5 and $10 to get in. Sometimes it's free. It just depends how many people are
It's
there.
normally free for girls.
Yeah, it's always free for girls. Almost always.
Oh.
Check out Red. It's
Yeah.
super ratchet, super fun. Check it out.
Yeah, it's got red.
Red or
I
Gold
recommend
Spike.
Commonwealth. And Gold Spike.
Gold Spike is super
Gold
fun.
Spike.
I don't know if she wants a photo with you right there.
Too much, you gotta pay money.
Look here. Attention, man. Give them something, man. I don't know. Yeah. Damn, this girl. Hey. You see how we film? So you can be far, but you take the shot.
I gotta get a zoom lens. Really good one.
It's very good because you play.
It's required. It's required.
Yeah?
It's required. Got it. Yeah.
90% of my street videos, I have to zoom.
Nightclub.
I'm just excited to film, you know.
Yeah, I don't want to interrupt the process. Go ahead.
No, I think we're good, you know. We've tried our best. Okay, pass. Sorry, bro.
All right.
I'm just giving it the best, man.
I did not know
Woo. I think I'm so tired, man. Let this video reach 2 minutes and we stop. Wow, look right here.
Instagram, and we out here, man. Search Future/Entertainment. You know what I'm saying? We out here, we turn the thug life into a positive, man. You know what I'm saying? Thug life, man. You know what I'm saying? Truly blessed under God. You feel me? Get that on there.
Okay,
you know what I'm
bro.
saying?
I got it.
Stay safe, brother.
Okay,
Right,
bro.
mate.
Okay,
Yeah.
man. Okay. Let's go, man. Let's go. Say something, man. Say something to them.
He's going for Phil. Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like when we do this in Colombia, we're always watching each other's back.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the real life of Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm with Richard, we're filming this video. Yeah, and so you click his video, I mean his link down here, right?
Yep, Richard from Richard.
Yeah, and we have here, man, give yourself a shout out, man.
Hey guys,
On Instagram.
check out my Instagram, Don_Timateo.
Yeah. Yeah, he's the guy hosting us here in Nevada, Las Vegas, man. It's crazy. Hands up for this place, man. Yeah. Big city, man. He's taking it down like crazy. And sure you add me on Instagram. And please.
Subscribe and like.
Yeah. How many likes?
1,000 likes.
1,000. Hey guys, ensure you give the video a like, man. Thank you for watching this video. We're trying to make 2 videos a day for you. Yeah, because we have to release good content for you every time. And I have my boys here. They've been really supporting me, super supportive. Man, I've been filming like the whole day. I'm so tired, so maybe I'll end here. And we have Richard right here. Richard, say something.
I'm tired, man.
Don't say you're tired, man. This is a
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Richard from Richardville.
Yeah, this is a new video, man. Yeah, hey, say something, man.
Hey man, check me out on Instagram, __Timotel.
Yeah.
Look out for my vids.
Yeah, where you from, man? This guy's from France, man. Say something.
Vous comprenez le français?
Tell them,
Ah,
man.
oui?
Tell them.
Je ne sais quoi, je ne sais pas.
This guy is not going back home.
Je ne parlais pas.
Yeah.
Pas bien. Pas très bien.
Okay, man.
Like, that must have helped tourism when they made it legal to smoke weed. It must have helped totally tourism.
There's some dollar figures.
Yeah. Wow.
Hey, look this side, man. Damn.
All I need is you, baby, baby.